is up, Las Vegas fans? A quick room tour of the SOHO King View at New York, New York. Let's get at it. There's your entry door. Recently renovated. They've got a bunch of cool wallpaper. Very nice vibe. Washroom is about as basic as a washroom gets. What's up? I took a shower this morning. Water pressure was fantastic. And look at this. All the necessary components to have a shower or a bath, whatever you're into. You may not think that's a big deal, but based on some videos I've seen, it's a very big deal. Yeah, like I said, recently renovated. Very clean. Love the carpet, love the decor. The wallpaper is fantastic. And I am paying $0 aside from my resort fees to be here for the next 2 days. Actually, we're down to one more night. And here's the view. Obviously, the roller coaster, MGM Grand, Statue of Liberty, and Liberty Castle.